Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix error loading effects in CapCut. As you can see in the video, now I'm facing network error in CapCut, so today I'll show you how to fix this problem. First, I want you to try method number 1, cause it works for me, and I hope it will work for you too. Just right-click on your time, then click on Date and Time. Then click on Add Different Time Zone. Click on Date and Time. Then click on Change Time Zone. And change your time zone to Bangkok time. And after you follow this method, then go to check your CapCut again. But if this time zone still not fix your problem, then you should change it to your real time zone. It should work fine with your real time zone sometime. As you can see in the video, this method works fine for me, but if it's still not work for you, then just close the CapCut and open it again. Okay, now it works fine for me here. But if it's still not fixed for you, then we have another one method. Just close the CapCut and follow the step. Go to your search box and search for VPN. Then open VPN settings. And click Add a VPN connection. And here, you need to complete your VPN information. However, just follow the steps in the video. Enter your connection name. You can use whatever name you want. It's no problem. Then you need to have a VPN server or address name. And now I will show you how to get VPN server for free. Just open your browser and search for VPN Gate. Then click on the first link. Then scroll down a little bit. And just copy one server that you want to use. Then select your VPN type. And make sure you select username and password. Then go to copy the username and password from your web server. Then click Save. And click on your VPN and click Connect. Then close the tab and go to open your CapCut again. With this method, your problem should be solved. Okay, now it works fine. And after you finished your editing, then you should go to disconnect your VPN. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.